Okay, now the purpose of this style of chip and dip, I'm going to create a pedestal for the bowl. And that's so that you can have more room for your chips and people can get to the dip without kind of dragging through the chips. A lot of people like this style because it's a little bit easier to use. So first I need to make the pedestal for the bowl. And I'm going to pinch at the bottom and pull up. Now I want this to be a little bit wider than this because the foot of the bowl is actually going to sit inside here, and that's what's going to keep the bowl from rocking when people are using it. So I'm going to use my left hand and pull towards my right hand and just open that up a little bit more. Give it a nice rim by pressing in with the corner of the rib. And get the walls very compressed so they'll be strong and dense. And then I'll clean up the floor of the bat, and we're ready to pull up the walls.